Hi, I'm Natasha, and I'm here to introduce you to Cricut Joy 2, the next generation of our smallest and cutest cutting machine, perfect for creating fun and functional everyday projects. On top of the new machine features, the entire Cricut experience has been improved with best-in-class design space software and carefully curated bundles that make it easier than ever to turn your ideas into meaningful, personalized items. So, what makes Cricut Joy 2 so special? Just like the original Cricut Joy, it's the size, of course. Weighing just over 2 pounds, this machine is compact and portable, ideal for crafting in any place in your home, and then easy to stow away when you're done. Although it's so cute, you may want to show it off. Cricut Joy 2 has been redesigned with a fresh new look and a simplified making experience. It can precision cut designs up to 4.5 inches wide, making it perfect for projects with smaller designs like vinyl decals, custom cards, personalized apparel, and labels. The machine is compatible with over 75 of our most loved materials. That includes things like paper, vinyl, iron-on, cardstock, and infusible ink sublimation materials. Plus, it's now compatible with our line of printable materials. Cricut Joy 2 works with your home inkjet printer to help you craft full color creations, like these stickers. And this machine doesn't just cut, it also writes, draws, and even adds foil accents to your designs, so you can whip up a stunning last-minute gift card, like this. We've added scoring capabilities as well, which means with our new scoring tool, you can create perfect fold lines for cards, envelopes, boxes, and more. So even if you're short on space, you can personalize just about anything with Cricut Joy 2. Like all Cricut machines, Cricut Joy 2 works with our free, easy-to-use app, Design Space. Use it on your phone, tablet, or computer, and connect your machine via Bluetooth or USB. Design Space makes personalization a breeze with guided design flows, customizable templates, and easy editing tools. You can even preview your designs anytime, giving you the confidence your projects will turn out just right. The app prompts you every step of the way, and you can control the design and make process right from your device. Here's how it works. Choose a ready-to-make project, upload your own design, or create something from scratch. Pick your material, and with Joy 2's Auto Load and Go feature, we've eliminated a step so you just load it into your machine and let the machine do the rest. Then put your project together, and there you have it, something totally your own. Some of our favorite real-life projects you can make with Cricut Joy 2? Cute gift tags like these made by Jolanda. Custom shirts like the sweatshirt made by Buzz and Blush. The perfect holiday nail art like the ones Dasha made. Vinyl decals like these ones made by Stacy for her Kindle. Intricate paper flowers like these daisies made by Gabrielle. And now, full color designs like these stickers made by LM. The best part? You can make your projects exactly how you want. Totally one of a kind every time, and without spending a ton waiting for your item to ship. Cricut Joy 2 comes in a range of bundles that save you money and take the guesswork out of getting started, since each bundle includes a variety of must-have tools and materials. That means you can dive right in and start creating projects right out of the box. If you're excited by the idea of creating personalized projects but need something that won't take up too much space, you'll love what you can make possible with Cricut Joy 2. Check out the links below for tutorials, tips, and tons of project inspiration to get started. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting with Cricut Joy 2.